Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix skate game stuck on black loading screen error. So many of the users have reported that they were coming across this kind of issue. So I will show you what to do. So the very first method is to restart your system once. For that, click on the Windows icon, then click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your system. So after restarting, now check if the black loading screen is resolved or not. If not, then launch Steam and under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will verify the game files. After verifying the game files, now check if the problem is resolved. Generally this kind of issue occurs after the game has been updated. So after verifying the game files, now check if you can verifying the game files. Now check if the black loading screen is gone or not. If not, next is to clear download cache on Steam. So for that, click on Steam option over here, then go to the settings, then click on download and then go below, and here you can see clear download cache. You have to click on clear cache, and once done, then check if the problem is resolved. If not, then click on Steam and then go to the settings, then go to storage, and here you have to change or move your game to another storage. So as I have added the storage option of C and E, so here if you have not added, you have to click on add drive and add a drive, and after that, wherever your game has been installed, in whichever drive, select the game and then click on move, and this will move to another storage or drive wherever you want. After moving the game to another drive, now try to launch the game and see if it resolves the problem. Hopefully this will resolve the issue you are coming across. If not, then simply you have to launch EA app, and from there you can play the skate game easily. So here you can see it's a free to play game. You just have to download it, and after downloading it, click on play button and you can play skate game from here. Many of the users are coming across the error on Steam, so no issue. You just have to launch the EA app, download the skate game, and you can easily play skate game on EA app. So by this way you can easily avoid the black loading screen that you're coming across while playing the game. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.